Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to buy Hostinger hosting with a free domain name, step by step. Head to hostinger.com using my link below to claim the latest deal. Here, select Premium Web Hosting. It's perfect for beginners and includes a free domain, making it easy to manage everything in one place. Click Claim Deal, then choose Plan. You can select a 12 or 24 or 48-month plan. The longer term gives you the best value. Click Continue and you're ready for the next step. Sign up using your email or Google account. Enter your billing information, choose a secure password, and click Submit Payment. Once you complete the purchase, you'll be redirected to the Hostinger dashboard. Open your inbox and verify your Hostinger account email, then click Claim Domain inside your Hostinger dashboard. Here you can pick your website name, short, simple, and easy to remember. This is one of the biggest advantages of Hostinger. You get free domain plus hosting together. That means no need to buy a domain separately or mess with DNS connections. Everything is set up automatically. Once you've verified your domain registration, you're ready to move on. Click Continue, Set Up, then click Create Website, and then choose WordPress. Set your WordPress username and password. This will be your login for editing the site. Choose Create Blank Site, select your newly claimed domain, and leave the Desktop Center as default. Click Install WordPress and Hostinger will automatically install it for you. In just a few minutes, you'll have your first WordPress website setup complete. No coding, no hassle. That's it. You've learned how to buy hosting or hosting and get a free domain name and install WordPress. Make sure to check video description to grab your special Hostinger coupon code for extra 10% discount. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Hostinger tutorials and WordPress setup guides.